Morris, my boy, I say that we do follow the leader. Do you want to go first?
No, you go.
Me? All right, let's do this.
I'm so glad I have headlights right now.
Yeah, well, headlights are great when you're in the forest, eh?
Yeah.
There's a giant dog in our path. Hi, Raven. There's so much, like an immediate severe hill climb. I love it.
Wow.
Oh, it's okay. I wasn't watching, I was watching the camera instead of my driving. I gotta raise those body posts. That's a lot of body rubbage. Oh, full action, full on action from the boy. Oh, good try. And, oh, if you would have gone forward, you could have got it there. That's all right.
Oh.
Nice climbs. Oh, nice. I love your lights in your wheel wells. They shine onto your light and onto your tires, and they look great.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Rub, 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 rub-a-dub-dub. I might need to back up. Hold on, hold on. Oh, did you go and call my insurance company? You're going to hear from me about that damage.
Yep.
This way and then that way.
Okay.
It's all how I drive around them.
Zigzag.
Zigzag. Good driving advice there, sir. Thank you.
Now look at the and over to your right or left. You see this giant log that got destroyed.
A dog log. I hope we don't run into any dog logs.
Yep. But there's already a dog.
That's true. We have to pick up all the dog logs that we see that are from our dog.
Okay.
There you go. All it is choosing the great line. Oh, nice. That tire is a nice recovery point. I'm thinking you may have to go around the outside on this side. Oh, nice.
And then normally...
Try this side, man. Go up on that, like underneath the bush. Yeah, it's more like a road you can take. There you go. Yeah. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh. That's okay. I got it. Here, let's see if we can.
Oh.
Let's see if we can get the right line. Let's try to get this tire up on that ledge right there and follow it up that way. Yeah, nice and slow.
I'm so worried.
Switch gears actually if you can. Yeah, and try again. Okay, now I'm gonna move your back end over a little bit because you're caught in that hole. There you go. You can still do this. Yeah, no. That's okay. Remember, young Padawan, just take your time. Here, Dad will help you. Go ahead. Okay, there, and keep her crawling. It just looks so good from the side, Morris. That truck has always looked the bomb.
You might think this is easy, but then...
It is not. The camera never captures the steepness, man. Oh, nice. Yeah, again, try to go around on the outside here as well.
I was trying to do that.
Go forward. We could use a little weight in your axles at the front. Go ahead, go again. Yeah, keep going. Great tire flex. Yeah, you got it. Turn into it. That's right. Nice.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, a little bit of assistance never hurts from Dad.
Yeah, never.
Now, here, I will attempt this on the one-handed side, but I've been doing this for a long time, so no excuses here. I think we can do it.
Every single day.
Every single day, you're right. That's how amazing the hobby is, though. I can keep having fun every day with something new.
Without even knowing it.
Exactly. Okay, so here's where I was thinking you could have gone, but I also think your truck was a little bit long, and my truck's a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna try. Oh, I slid too far. Let's just back up. Oh, I went too far again.
Wait, is that a snorkel I see?
It is a snorkel, that's right. Yeah, good eye.
For some reason it looked like for some reason it looked like a telescope.
I'm
gonna see you from up above.
It is. It could be a telescope. To heck with the snorkel. Let's just put a telescope there. There. That's what I wanted. Right there.
Yes, you can do it.
Got it, buddy. Got it. Sideways shot. Trying to make it past the log. Now I don't have any weight in my axles. That's a good and a bad thing. It gives me a nice advantage when I need to hop up on something But again, it doesn't give my front end any extra traction. Oh, I broke something. Look at that. Broke a drive shaft.
Every video isn't complete without breaking something.
Broken parts. If you didn't break it. Look at this. You're literally not trying hard enough. Oh, I turned it into a piece of licorice, Morris.
Oh, nice.
Look at this.
I'm not gonna have black licorice. I'm not gonna take that kind of licorice.
Oh no, that's a strawberry. I like black licorice, but most kids like the red stuff, yeah? Beautiful, dude.
Awesome.
I think the plane is going over trying to spy on us.
Yep. All the time. Plane. Maybe that's a helicopter.
Oh, that's definitely an airplane.
Okay.
Nice crawl, dude. Like a boss, your skills are getting much better. We need to do something about that suspension though. It just makes you...
Yeah. It's like we're in Jurassic World.
It is like Jurassic World, man. Nice and slow. Let's see if you can get that crawl on. I know you want to tip because of these springs on here. That's nice, good. You're showing great throttle control. Look at that. Dude, nice job. Remember, throttle control. Oh yes, the art of the slow crawl. You got lots of skill already, man. You're out driving a lot of the people I've been watching for years. Yeah, that's okay. Take it and try to drive over that way a bit. Yeah, that's right. And so our goal, right there. There you go. Now try to bring it over. That's okay. Once this back tire is here, that's perfect. Go that way. Yeah, up the hill. Good job. Now the smallest back up. That's right. That's perfect. You got it, man. You got it.
Hard.
It is hard. That's why we talk about practice. There, right there. There. And you got excited.
Yeah!
And you kicked butt. Good job. Oh, the beautiful sunlight. Oh, there again. We got to go with that slow crawl, man. You're like an 18-year-old on his first date. Trying to get the job done too quick. There you go. Nice and slow. That back tire is going to cause you a problem only because it's digging a hole. Back up. There you go. Now, yeah, hug the inside. Go towards that way. That's okay. Back up.
It just pushes me that way.
Back up and try it again. You definitely can do this. Like right in there. And try to hug that rock. Yeah. Oh, too much. Too much hugging.
I don't want to be hugged that much.
There you go. Perfect. Right there, buddy. Oh, almost. That's a good try.
Oh.
Here, let Dad try and see if it's even possible.
Okay.
You got to learn how to read your truck's actions. You see how by moving nice and slow, it kind of lowered itself down there? You got to learn how to read your truck's actions.
Yeah.
So there, it's totally possible. On an angle. Yes, correct. Nice and slow, and then let your truck like work and conform. Try to go that way, yeah. Let's try it. Just getting that back one to hook up, right? Back down, let's try that again.
Yeah.
It's a good scenario. Look, see, you've got the right idea about slow, and then let the suspension adjust. See how it falls down? Then continue. Yeah, it's because your back tire's in that hole again. That's okay. That's okay, yeah. Juice it a little bit, give it some, yeah, but back up, and then juice it, because you'll get a hop. Yeah, now, oh, too far. That's okay, let's go back down and do this one anyway.
Oh!
Come on, back down. There you go, there you go. So now you know you can get up there. Nice and slow, you can do this. Yeah. Yeah, turn into it now. There you go, yeah, that's cool. You got it, buddy, nice and slow. Now turn the other way. There you go, that's the hookup you wanted, right there. Very nice. Turn the other way. There it is, right there. Good job, dude.
Well, maybe I just have to not do the walk.
No, you just nailed it, man. You just crawled right up there. That was all you.
Heck yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
You did do it.